So hello, good evening friends. So today I want to show you this battery. This is a battery like Max Dragon. So I want to show this battery how much power supply. So how we can check it out. Okay, this is a in this inside this. So there is a two holes are available. So these two holes, see, in this pieces we can see these two holes. Inside this we can put salt water to increase the battery voltage power. Okay, and after this we should close this one. So if we press salt water inside this two holes, then automatically battery power will increase. Like if battery power is producing 1.5 or 1 volt means if we insert salt water inside this battery from these two holes, though so the power will increase like 3 volt or 3.5 volt like this. So first of all we'll check it this voltage. How we can check it out? See, yes, okay. Then if we press it like this, you should keep it first point this, second point this. Some voltage is coming 1.92 volt. It is appearing on the screen like 2 volt. Yeah, 1.8, 1.9 volt. So 1.7 volt like this. So we should keep it safely, then only it is coming on the screen clearly. So I want to keep it under the near to the camera so we can see the reading clear cut. This one and this one, see. Yeah, 1.3 it is coming on the screen. 1.9, 1.8, 1.7 like this. So because there are no proper grip, so that is the reason the voltage is, see, this grip should be big size, then only it is coming clearly on the screen. So if we insert, we should remove this cap, and afterwards we should insert the salt water, then power increase up to like 3.5 like this. I want to show to remove these holes. This is the holes because it is like a very old battery something. So I remove this one also. See how it is looking like inside this. So from these two holes we should insert salt water. Through injection we should insert salt water, so automatically the battery voltage will increase. So see, this is, so I want to close now this one, first one, then second one. Actually it is too much very old battery, so rubber has been gone, this rubber cover. So and I want to show you another one battery power. This is the second one battery power. So how much power this battery gives? This battery is totally dead second battery, so it gives like 0.9 volt. See, now you can see 0.9 volt. If it is shows on the screen -9 means we should change this plugs. See, now if we change this, so if we change this like this means now the minus sign will gone. See, 0.9. What I done means, before it is coming on the screen like -9, I changed this plus minus direction like this. I kept red one left side and black one right side, so it is coming on the screen like plus 0.9 plus 0.8. Then again if I change this direction like this way means, so then see minus. So if we want to remove this minus means we should change his color of needle. See, then how it is coming now, plus 8, like these things. Okay, if you see this video, if you learn something in this video means you should press like button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.